How to fix YouTube video keep pausing on your iPhone. Let's get started. First of all, make sure your internet is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router for a stronger connection. Now, restart your iPhone. A quick restart can fix temporary glitches, so turn off your phone and then back on. Then you can try playing the video again. After that, you want to go ahead and simply open up your App Store. In the search bar, you can simply search for YouTube. Once you search for it, simply tap onto it and look for update button. If you found it, you can simply tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. Now after that, open up your control center and make sure low power mode is turned off. Now if the problem still continues, open up settings. Inside here, tap on general, scroll below, tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset, then select reset network settings. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.